What's up, guys? My name is Gabriel, this is Roham, and we're both Las Vegas realtors. We're going to talk about Flip Your Future by Ryan Pineda.
So Flip Your Future is how you're going to go and flip a house. Essentially, if you don't know what flipping is, it's buying something, fixing it up, making it look nice, and then selling it again for a higher profit. Now, flipping houses is not that easy, obviously. So this book can be your step-by-step guide on how to find deals, buy them without any money down, and then sell them again for thousands of dollars of profit.
Yep. So we're going to talk real quick about the author. So Ryan Pineda, he used to flip couches, he flips houses, he does investing for real estate, does all kinds of stuff right now.
So what's really cool about this book is that it's his firsthand experience. You know, he didn't make this off some other person's guides and methods, or he didn't go to other seminars that cost $5,000 or $10,000. He created his own system that he saw was working and could benefit anybody. So that's why he wrote this book. He wrote this for anybody out there that's willing to go out there, change their life, and make that effort. You don't have to be in real estate. You don't have to be realtors like Gabe and I. You could be a teacher. You could be just someone who wants to make side income because they've got plenty of time to spend on these kinds of projects. But just a disclaimer, I don't want anybody thinking that this book is going to go out there and do the work for you. You've got to be motivated, organized, and self-disciplined to get out there and do these steps to make the action happen.
So this book's not really like a Grant Cardone, Gary Vee motivational book. It's a do-it-now book. It has all the info you're gonna need to start flipping a house. It's literally a step-by-step guide to get to 6 figures a year. I recommend this book to just anyone that's ready to start going out there and making money. It's not for everyone, but if you're trying to hey, how do I start flipping houses? Here it is. Here's the info. I got the money for it. Let's go. This book was $12, all right? They have a Kindle version that's $10. You can get this kind of info for $5,000, $10,000 at a seminar, but $12, how can you even think twice about it? I'm not trying to be selling or anything. I'm just trying to tell everyone that this book, I picked it up. It took me 3 hours to read it. I learned everything. And I was able, literally last week, to pick up a couple investment deals, and they're gonna close next week.
For me, this book is a call to action. It's for people to get ready, get started, and find opportunity wherever it may lie for you. And I think it's a really cool way to expand your knowledge, whoever you are. If you have no experience, if you have little experience, or you have tons of experience, there's always something you can take away from these kinds of books when they're all about giving you information.
Yep, I agree, and I picked up the book. I didn't think I was gonna learn anything, but when I did, I was able to apply everything I learned right away.
So if you guys wanna check this book out, the Amazon link is in the description down below. If you guys like me and Gabe, come check us out on social media. If you wanna see what Ryan's up to, please follow him on social media, see how busy he is. Yeah,
definitely. And if you guys wanna see more content, please like and subscribe. You know where that subscription button is. No, for real though. If you guys want to see more content, like and subscribe. And also, if you guys have any thoughts, leave a comment below.
Peace.
Peace. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I definitely love to make more videos. Me and Roham would love to make more videos for you guys. We're called Venture Vegas, alright? And that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be venturing Vegas.
Venture Vegas, come check it out. We're gonna be going off on adventures, checking out new places you may have never heard of. We're always wanted to go, but wanted to get a preview first. So hopefully we can give you guys some value, both in where we go, and what we provide for you for your business and your future.
We're gonna be taking you guys to all the different kinds of places in Vegas. It's freaking awesome. There's these colored pillars out there. We're gonna go on hikes. We're gonna go rafting. I'm just kidding, there's no rafting in Vegas, but we're gonna do a lot of different stuff.
We'll find it. We're gonna
find it. We're gonna venture Vegas.
We're gonna raft what is that? Cowabunga Bay?
Oh, there you go.
Hey!
Yeah.
Check out.
Yeah.
We got a lot of cool stuff to check out.